Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Siri not available, connect to Wi-Fi to download data for using Siri, or how you can fix that. So if you want to use Siri and if you press the button and after that you see this kind of error on your iPhone, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings. And after that, what you have to do, first of all, you have to simply search for the Siri and you have to make sure that you have enabled the Siri. So you have to simply search for the Siri here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether you have turned on Siri function, and after that you have simply enabled it. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go to the setting and you have to simply click on Siri, and here you have to simply check whether you have already enabled and allowed all the permission to Siri, whether it can use mic or anything like that. So you have to simply again try to use the Siri and you have to simply press